Hello guys, welcome to another video blog. Today is Monday 11th of November and today I have a lot of, not lot, but today I have lots of things to do. I think I'm going to bring you with me in all of these processes. So also I have my little task to do here. I'm not going to post the weekly planning this week because I have a lot of things from last week that I have to finish. Also, I have to print, or I decided to print some of my Harry Potter girls I uploaded on Instagram last week. I think they turned so cute that I think that I like to see them as prints. I'm going to use this printing process to talk you about how I manage my printer with the computer, the settings, paper, some tips that I found on the way of printing, because I had a lot of problems at the beginning with the printing system. And yeah, I think this is interesting because some people ask me on Instagram about that, so I think I can help them and you, if you are interested in printing, to take the best of your printer and computer. So I have to edit the Draw With Me I made last week. This Draw With Me is one of my Harry Potter girls I draw. In this case is Hermione. So yeah, I think it's my favorite of all the Harry Potter girls I draw, and hopefully I will upload it tomorrow for Patreons. By now this is all I'm going to do. I hope I managed to finish them at the end of the morning or before lunch. and yeah, also I want to show you guys what I'm planning. I show already on Instagram my Christmas cards. They turn so cute. This is a test, by the way. This is a test. No, it's not the final version because they have marks and it's in the right side. So this is my Christmas. They look so cute. I really love them. I put them as an option in my Etsy shop as a personalized custom Christmas card. For the Etsy shop order, you are not going to receive the printed card, but you are going to receive once you place your order is a PDF with the right side, of course, of your drawing here, and this is going to be in blank with my logo or all the stories. Just a file for you to be as easy as possible to print your own Christmas card. So if you really want to make these cute things and send them to your relative, please take a look at my Etsy shop. Also, what I planned for my Christmas is envelope, craft paper envelope. They arrived me Saturday, and this is a A6 format. I don't know if you can see the texture. It's not too tight, but I think they are okay for the Christmas. I think they look a cute pack. So this is one part. Also, I'm going to do today more printing for my Christmas. I have to print about 20 or 25 of them. Also, I have to bend them, and my bending system, as you are going to see, is as simple as I use a knife with this round shape, and with this you're going to see that later on the video. I do the bending line, so it's more easier to bend the paper. And also I want to thank you because we are already 1,000 no, what, 1,000 people on Instagram. So thank you so much. This means a lot to me. And also I'm going to thank you, my Patreons. Now I can say it because I have now 2. So you too, guys, thank you so much for Patreon me and my work, and hope you enjoy my Patreon stuff. So yeah, guys, I'm going to start working and see you later. Hi guys, today is the next day. Yesterday finally I couldn't do the printing things because I had to work on my magazines, and also I have to finish the Draw With Me editing for the video. Now it's updated to Patreon, sorry. And this morning I had been working on uploading the video to YouTube and to Patreon, and also doing some more work for my magazines. So now it's about 1 p.m. and I think I could start doing some printing, and this is what I'm going to do now. I'm going to try to explain a little bit the printing process and how I have my printing settings to have a very polished final result with the color printing. Because at the beginning, when I started printing with my Epson, I had some problems with the configuration of the printer and the computer, and how the colors had to be managed and by who. And yeah, I think I'm going to explain these things, and also I am going to print some of my Christmas cards and bend some of them. And after all of that, I'm going to have lunch. I think Hermione looks so cute, also giddy, but the colors are different. This is more white and this is more yellow. You can see the difference in the skin. It's the same skin for the same color in Procreate, so here you can see the difference between one and another. I don't know what I prefer most. I mean, Hermione looks great, but also maybe the skin are too orange. I don't know. This type of more pinky skin, also like it. I don't know, guys. I think I'm going to let you know what you think on Instagram, and and see what you prefer. I don't know. Seriously, I had a problem because I love them so much in all of her colors and variants. So this is the update. I'm going to print my Christmas and have some lunch. See you later, guys. Morning, guys. Today I'm going to work in a variety of things. I have to print print. I have to print the rest of my Christmas cards and bend them. I think I have about 15 or 14 left. Also, I need to do some photos for my prints for Harry Potter, and then listing them to the Etsy shop. I think this all I am going to talk about now. I think we are going to do this together. I'm having my breakfast right now, so once I finish I will start all these things. Let's start to work. Bye. Okay, guys, so I want to show you how the November wallpaper for Patreons are look like. So I'm going to use Elsa and Anna, and this is going to be uploaded today 13th of November, and yeah, I think it turns pretty cool with this type of logo. So yeah, this is the wallpaper. Hi guys, I'm here editing the studio blog and I realized I didn't make a closing for it. So thank you guys, thank you for watching and following and supporting me on Instagram. At the beginning of the studio blog, I said we are almost 1,000 people on Instagram. I have to say that now we are close to the 2,000 people. So thank you so much for this. While I'm talking, you're going to see some time working in my listings on Etsy, I think, and doing some sketches for the Akane drawing fan art you already saw on Instagram. And yeah, thank you so much, you guys, and my patrons too. And see you soon.